Hello and welcome to another The Reset Girl Creative Team Hobonichi style plan with me. We're on week 15 and I will be using, there are my photos, I'm using the April kit called Girl Friday, and I'm cutting my photos, they're 2 by 2, so I'm going to use 3 on this memory planning side. Originally I thought I would line them all up. Now I decide I want to use a Vicki Boutin stencil and ink daubers from scrapbook.com and the Vicki Boutin color wheel pigment inks to kind of blend a nice bright pink, and I will slowly blend in the darker magenta hot pink, because this week I'm featuring, there was a lot going on this week to memory plan. There was some birthdays in my family, National Sibling Day, and also on April 13th and 14th I went to Joann Stores to catch the debut of Damask Love's Wildcard collection. Now these are brand new designer destination products at Joann Stores nationwide, and if you go to the blog post I have a list of all the stores that will be stocking this collection, and that's why I chose to use the hot pink dots. So the Reset Girl kit has all different colors and a variety of different girls, and I love that. I absolutely love this. I'm going to use 5 of the smaller girls that were printed on sticker paper, and I love this sense of community. I really wanted to support Amber. I met her at Creativation 2019, and I just love her. She's the most fun person. Like, she's just real. And she's hilarious. So I totally wanted to support her and go buy her products at Joann, so I got everything they had on the shelves. So I'll be adding a little bit of that here, but mostly I'm focusing on the variety of skin tones in these girls, which I love. So I'm placing 5 of those Girl Friday stickers at the bottom left of this listing and memory planning Hobonichi style. And now I'm going to start sticking these down, since I know, yep, that I totally want to cover the whole Sunday with these girls. They're just so cute with their little typewriters. Their little hairdos, so cute. So I love printing these on the clear sticker paper and fussy cutting these. If you don't want to fussy cut these images, there are also cut files available in the Reset Girl shop. This is really the highlight of the page. So first I want to cover some of that ink that bled through. Usually pigment ink doesn't bleed through, but it did bleed through this time because I used watercolor over it, and that forced the ink through the paper. So that's a simple fix. I'll just add some of the bonus files. Now the girls with different skin tones are in the bonus files from the Reset Girl April kits. So look for the bonus files in the description box. I'll have a link there, like I said. So the 1 1/4 inch punches, the circular punches, are also in the bonus files. So I'm using some of the Color Fresh collection to punch some circles, and I'll add the Damask Love Rainbow Washi in this after the fact. I'll add it. I think I stopped the camera, or my camera was full and it shut off, so sometimes it will automatically shut off if I've been recording for a certain amount of time. But these prompts are the listing prompts from the Reset Girl. She has the ticket variety, the ticket stub variety, or she has this smaller version. So I'm placing all the listing prompts down the right side of the pre-dated planner side, because it's simple, and you know that obviously the one in the 10 is for the 10th, and so on and so forth. So now I'll be hand lettering with my Tombow Funosuke brush hard tip. So I hand lettered Create Community, and then Dad and Sister, and then Collect All Damask Love products at Joann Stores. Must buy all the things. And I bought one of everything and left plenty for other people. But the thing about Joann Stores is you have to get over there quick, because they only stock 3, which to me seems really low stock. Like, that's gonna go right away. By the time I got there, they were putting it on the shelves, and all the Chamel products were gone already. So here I'm doing all of my memory planning on this right section in the square where a photo would be. So I left that open on purpose, and I journaled about meeting Amber. and I hand lettered connect, and then I'll go back over here and add some more on the planning side, just some memory planning notes that I want to keep for each of the days. So I really like how this turned out. I like the bright colors and the stickers from the Reset Girl kit. It's totally perfect. And I love the photos that I have this week, and I'm adding a noted sticker just to that circle. And I have 5 stickers on that right side. So that worked out really well, just to add the circular stencil and then continue the shape element of the circular punches. So here I added a label, and you have the finished shots. And check this description box below. I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me.